Hey guys, it's Yudi here, and these are the Apple Airpods Pro clones. They look a lot like the original Apple AirPods, but are the looks all they have to offer? Are they any good? Well, in this video, we're going to be unboxing the clones and taking a look at its build quality, its features, its battery life, and most importantly, its sound quality. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So like with most of my videos, I have timestamps in the description box below as table of contents, so you can skip to any part of the video you'd like. So first, let's get through the unboxing. The box of the clones look a lot like the original. They have the same size. Opening up the box, you are first greeted with the manual or the quick start guide. Next, we see the Airpods Pro clones themselves. Let's keep that up to the side for now. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have the USB Type-C to Lightning connector. And lastly, we have additional size ear tips. Now the Airpods Pro clones are affordable. They cost just $20 or 10,000 naira. The design of the Airpods Pro clones is pretty good. As I said earlier, they look a lot like the original Apple AirPods. But on the case, there is an LED notification that indicates when it's charging, and it also indicates the battery level. It's green normally, but when the battery is low, it flashes red. It's completely made out of plastic and the quality is good. They don't feel cheap at all. The lid of the case is shut by magnets, and the AirPods are also held inside of the case with magnets, so you don't have to worry about them falling out of the case. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. And if you did subscribe, head down to the comments and type "Hi, I have subscribed." I promise to reply to your comments. So you connect the Apple Airpods Pro to your phone the same way you connect any Bluetooth device. When you open the case, it turns on automatically. Then you go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and connect to the Airpods Pro. After that, connecting to it is very easy. Simply open the case, and as long as the Bluetooth on your phone is turned on, it will connect automatically. These do have the H1 chip, so if you connect it to an iPhone, it will recognize it as the original Apple Airpods Pro. Now, just like the original Apple Airpods Pro, they are comfortable in the ears. The controls on the clones are very similar to that on the original Apple Airpods. So one tap on the stem will play or pause your music or video if you are watching a video. Or if you're receiving a call, that will answer the call. Now, double tap on the stem will take you to the next track, and triple tap will take you to the previous track. On the quick start guide, it says that if you hold the stem, it will switch between noise cancellation mode and transparency mode. Noise cancellation. Okay, so I tried it and they lied. There is no noise cancellation on the Airpods Pro clones. Now there is a bit of latency when using the touch control, like a second or half a second delay. They don't respond immediately. Something to take note of. Now for the most important aspect, sound quality. How do the Airpods Pro clones sound? They sound really good. I'm actually really impressed by the sound quality. The bass is really good, the mids are also there, and the highs are okay. These do sound better than the Samsung Level U Pro I reviewed earlier on the channel. And the Level U Pro really has good sound quality, but these do sound better. So sound quality, thumbs up. And speaking of thumbs up, do give this video a like if you haven't already. Just hit the like button down there.
Hey guys, so this is how the AirPods will sound if you're using it to make a call. The AirPods are in my ears right now, and this is basically how it sounds. So tell me what you think of the sound quality in the comments section below.
Battery life on here is also really good. On heavy use, that's playing music with the volume above 50%, it lasted for about 4 hours before I got the low battery notification. And that was without the case. Now, with the case, you can charge it up to 4 times more, making a total of about 20 hours. So battery life is really awesome. However, it does take about 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, and so there's no fast charging on here. So the big question, should you buy the AirPods Pro clone? Yes, they do not have noise cancellation. Yes, the touch controls aren't too responsive. But considering the price you're paying, $20, these are awesome. They have really nice design because they look like AirPods. They are comfortable in the ears and they have great battery life and really good sound quality. So I really do recommend you buy this clone, especially if you have an iPhone because lightning connector. Do tell me in the comment section what you like most about these Apple AirPods Pro clones. I'd like to know what you think of them. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching and you see me in my next video.